We are, guys. I'm using my Garmin Verve for first try, second try, whatever. But we're at these waterfalls. Eyes down here, setting up for some good photography. And it's a beautiful Sunday, long weekend, September, Labor Day. Anyways, it's a little noisy. Hope you can hear me. I don't have the external mic on this. I've got somewhere else. I'll try it. Anyways, I think there's 3 or 4 waterfalls here. There's more up this way. Go down here. You can barely see them there. Some waterfalls coming down, some rapids. Cool. Beautiful areas. A few other people here. Kind of off the beaten track. There's no signs, no nothing. You just got to do what I do. I go on Google Earth, find some pictures in the middle of nowhere and find out what they're about. And so I'm going to go travel. It's a dirt road to get here. And good time. We'll have a little bit of a picnic later and then we'll do some fishing. Okay guys, later. So we came across another waterfall. This has been a great day. This is like 4 waterfalls now. What do you think? Pretty cool. Beautiful day, nobody around. It's Pi and I right now. So, hopefully you can hear me. It's pretty noisy, but anyways, we'll be back.
Of all the money that e'er I spent it in good company, and of all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit to memory I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. If I had money enough to spend and leisure time to sit awhile.
Hey guys, this is take 2 because I forgot to. I had the camera on super slow, but there we got it. Hopefully you can see what I was talking about before. It should be coming out pretty good because you'll see what I mean here. Anyways, take a look at this. Rock formations here. That cool. See the ridges here. Little beetle or something there. Water bug. This is cool here. Look at this, guys. That looks like ribs of a fish. You can see all that. And continues up. So it's all gouged out. The rocks did this. Hard rock and soft rock, I guess. Anyways, Pi's down there. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm enjoying it. It's beautiful out here. I've never seen this before. It's a little bit of a kind of like unknown Ontario, unknown Canada. I get the sun here. So yeah, it's cool. And I might come back here in the spring when the water's really coming down. It could be fantastic. There'll be future films. Anyways, walk back. We've got a couple more waterfalls to see, some more pictures, and that's it for now. Take care, guys.
There is a fair lady in this town who sorely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks and ruby lips alone she holds my heart enthralled. Then fill to me the parting glass. Good night and God be with you all. Oh, all the comrades that e'er I've had, they're sorry for my going away. And of all the sweethearts that e'er I had, they'd wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls into my lot that I should rise and
Well, we are back again, guys. There you can see one waterfall there, another one here, another one up there, another one here, I guess, all the same. And the river flows down there. There's a few people here now. So we were walking up that way. It's probably about another 3 or 4 waterfalls. Yeah, very nice day. Now we're going to have some sort of a lunch, I guess. And I don't know. See what happens after that.